Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to introduce my membership program. And in this membership program, I will provide you lots of stuff like ASP.NET Core from a beginning to professional videos. And it's not only a simple video tutorial; it's based on the project. So you can purchase it in 800 rupees for the Indian users, and rest countries you can buy from $15. Okay, and you can use PayPal account for buy this membership. And when you if you want to get this membership, you just fill that Google form that is available in video description box. The link is actually available in video description box, so must to check your video description box and fill the form. After the filling the form, I will contact you via the mail. Okay, so in this membership, I will provide you complete video tutorial of about a .NET Core, that is beginning to professional video tutorials. And the next one, I will provide you RESTful API and the Blazor course. Okay, so it's not only a simple tutorial, it's project based tutorial. So I will provide you lots of projects. So Blazor video tutorial, RESTful API tutorials. Then after, I will provide you Angular tutorials. I meant to say the fundamentals to the professional video tutorials. And then after, I will provide you React tutorials. And in .NET Core, I will use Entity Framework Core and the SQL Server. And .NET Core, we just use, uh, Entity Framework Core model first approach. Okay, and the MS SQL Server. And then after, I will provide you C# basic course, and then next I will provide you DSA based course, that is the data structure and algorithm. So it's not only these courses, I will provide you lots of courses and video tutorials plus complete source code. Okay, so you know that guys, if you want to get this membership, you just fill this form. So if you want to get the full stack development course, just fill this form, and this form link is actually available in this video description box. So just put it your name, your email ID, your contact number, transaction reference ID or order ID or PayPal ID. You can just add it here, and that is course fee. That is 800 rupees for Indian user and $15 for the other country user. So you can use this QR code, and also you can use for other country, then you can use this QR code for the PayPal user, and just click to the submit button. And after, I will inform you via mail. So please check your spam box as well. Okay, of your mail. Please check your spam box and inbox. Okay, so after that, I'm going to share you the course curriculum. So I will share you a course curriculum about ASP.NET Core. So this is from basics to advanced, and here we have relationships, validation, session, reusable component, themes, page utility, generic repository, unit of work, identity, data seeding, real-time projects, prototypes, and the project analysis phase of the project analysis, filter, middlewares. Okay, and that is my web API, and you can say that it's a RESTful API. So what is WCF, SO, and the rest? Create ASP.NET Core Web API projects, attribute routing, test API, Swagger, Postman, default parameter binding, and all. These all are the Web API topics and the RESTful API topics, and these all are the Angular topics. So everything is included here. Dynamic routing ID, lifecycle events, HTTP client module, JSON placeholder, ng container, ng content, design, course, algorithm, authorization, guard features, and API projects for JWT authentication, view shield, and HTTP interceptors, material component, paging, searching, sortings, and everything. Now the next one is the C# courses, and everything is completed. C# courses, data structure courses, okay, and the Signal R courses, and that is my Bootstrap course, microservices, and JavaScript, and Microsoft Blazor course. That is Microsoft Blazor course. React course also included in this. MS SQL Server complete guide, and object OpenCV Sharp, ImagueCV, and OCR. That is it's based on the digital platforms, and like image processing, image load, convert to grayscales, displaying image, and everything. Okay, so that is not enough. I will continue with my work, and I will share you weekdays videos to you, okay, in your mail. So everything is in only 800 rupees for the Indian users. So please fill this form if you see this video, and just uh, see the video description box, and where you will find a Google form link, and just fill the form and get the membership. Okay, now continue with the portfolio website, and here we have a builder.services.addDB context. Now I want to add here, I want to add a controller. So okay, so let's get started with the new one. You know that here I'm going to add a builder.services.add controllers. Add controllers, I mean to say that it's a controller techniques. So now your controllers directory is running instead of your minimal API. So you can use map controller. Okay, so now just after that you can add, you know, just remove the section. If you want to add a Swagger in your application and you want to run Swagger, um, and for documentation of the endpoints, you can just use Control Z, or you can say undo this process. Only just remove the minimal API's code, and Swagger is supportable right now. Now after that, you can remove the comment sections as well, and you know here we have a different types of now we have two middlewares, that is app.use HTTP redirections as well as the app.run method. Now just after that you can use map controllers, so app.map controllers, but right now it's not a good place to do here. Just after the use HTTPS redirections, you can use app.map controllers. Okay, now after that you can create a new controller under the APIs directory, API project. So just add a new directory, that is controllers directory, and inside your controllers directory you can add a controller uh, class, that is the uh, class controller, and just add a class that is the name of the class, that is items controller. Okay, now you can just inherit your base controller class, but right now base controller class is not exist in the current scenario, or you can say that API based controller class, where your the abstractions logics is there. But right now we have only a controller based class instead of base API controller. First of all, add a API controller so that you can map default routing here. As well, you can just manage the methods like OK, forbidden, unauthorized, not found, and all. So all these things are controlled by the API controller. The next one is the route attribute, so that you can configure your API routing. Okay, so just after that you can add a controller base class, and inside it you can return OK only. Okay, now just uh, that is the first endpoint, that is API and controller, that is the get request I want to add it here, that is get all items. So you can add HTTP get word with the method, that is public async task, action result, and get all items. So now you can add get all items and that return. Okay, but if you want to return read only items, then you can add action result of I read only list of portfolio items. So you can add task action result of I read only list of portfolio item. Okay, okay, that's cool.